Ever wonder why clownfish hang out in anemones? It's not just cute, it's smart. The anemone's stinging tentacles protect the clownfish from predators. But thanks to a special mucus on their skin, the clownfish doesn't get stung. In return, the clownfish cleans the anemone, feeds it scraps, and even chases away predators like butterfly fish. It's called mutualism. Both species benefit, and neither could survive as well without the other. This powerful ocean partnership is a natural defense system, roommate situation, and food exchange all in one.